It feels so weird. I honestly don't think my mom has ever worn fake lashes a day in her life. Hi guys, I'm Roxette Arisa, and today I'm going to be recreating one of my mom's iconic looks from the 80s. Bold liner, glossy lips, and lots of volume in the hair. All right, so I'm gonna start off with my brows. My mom's brows are pretty thin in the photos, so we're gonna keep it thin like the style was back in the 80s. Next up, primer. We gotta get our skin looking nice and smooth. Okay, I think next I'm gonna move on to eyes because I feel like the eyes are really like the bang of the look. So I'm just gonna prime my lids with some concealer. I wanna get all that discoloration off. Then I'm gonna take this neutral brown eyeshadow and we're gonna build up that color so that once we go in with the liner, it's gonna be a whole vibe. The liner is the most iconic part of this entire look. So I'm just gonna go in with a super pigmented liner to start. So this one is from Scone Cosmetics and it's their Insanely Intense Tattooed Mini Waterproof Eyeliner in jet black. I'm gonna try not to do a wing because I don't think my mom did a wing. I think it was just like a really intense liner. Okay, maybe a baby ring just because I can't help myself. And she took this liner all the way into the inner corner. How does that look? And for a look like this, you definitely don't want to forget to tight line underneath. It feels so weird. All right, time to add on some mascara. So I'm gonna go in with this guy, which is the Beauty For Real High Def Mascara in Just Black. I honestly don't think my mom has ever worn fake lashes a day in her life. She always wears a ton of mascara. I think mascara, liner, and red lips or like maroon lips are just like her 3 can't live without products. All right, I'm gonna add on some foundation just to create a nice even base. I feel like the world back then was so different. Like, I don't think contouring was really as much of a thing. I think people didn't really use highlight as much. Like, the makeup trends were so different. One thing I will say about my mom is like, I feel like I would not be the same person that I am today or be the person that I am today without my mom, because she truly, when I was growing up and even now to this day, pushes me to be the best that I can be. And I really don't think that I would be the same without my mom. I literally feel so weird without lashes. Like, I never do looks with thick liner and no lashes, but mama knows best. All right, then I'm gonna add on this Galactic Skin Glow in the shade Moonlight. I love this because it's a cream glow product, so it just gives you a very natural, radiant look. And I'm just gonna pop that, ooh, so pretty. I'm gonna pop that right on my cheekbones. And then I might even take a little bit of this pink shade on the right and put it on the apples of my cheeks. Almost like a really light blush, because again, I don't think my mom was wearing like a ton of cheek products in that photo. You know what I noticed about this look and looks about the 80s in general? There really is, it's pretty matte on the eyes and then a glossy lip. So I have a really nice little glossy lip that I'm gonna put on. Do you guys have any Mother's Day traditions? Our Mother's Day tradition was always, we would go to Gladstone's in Malibu every single year. My mom loved that restaurant. So that's like the #1 thing that I can think of. All right, moment of truth. This is where the look is, I think, really gonna come to life. Y'all, my mom was going for it in the 80s, okay? She was just really snatching her eyes. So we're definitely in need of a glossy lip because my mom's lips are nice and juicy and glossy in the photo. So I'm going in with this Tarte Cosmetics H2O Gloss in the shade Below Deck. I love the formula on this because it's really nice and juicy, but it doesn't feel sticky. This is such a my mom color. She always goes for these like rosy tones. Just to add a little bit more plumpness to the lips, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte H2O Gloss in the shade Hang Ten. This is just a little more pink. All right, so our makeup look is pretty much complete. I tried to do my mom's hair as good as I could as far as curling it, but you know, my hair doesn't have like the same volume as hers does. Mom, like, why didn't you give me the volume? All right guys, this is the finished look. How did I do? Let me know in the comment section, and happy Mother's Day to everyone out there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.